Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to do it. I thought I could just pull the door handle from that 1571 off, and it would just come off nicely. But anyway, something did not go as planned. I thought it would. So, I'm going to take out the four Phillips screws that hold this together and see if I have done anything foolish. Oh, is there a screw even in there? Oh, I hear things. Yeah, there's a screw in there. I think I've done something foolish. Anyway, is that coming off? I don't know. Okay, anyway, four screws. This one does not seem to be happy. Okay, is this coming off? Okay, so there was not a screw in there. Alright, here's the top. That I could use some cleaning. And so now what is rattling around in here? What is rattling around? The front bezel can be easily removed. What is rattling around? What foolishness have I done? Oh, yeah. Okay. There's the screw that came out. Oh, things are falling. Things are falling. Oh, yeah. I should not have done that as I did. I should not have. Because, well, I think it was not meant to be like that. It was not. Come on, you. Oh, maybe that was on the outside. Anyway, there's a little piece here that is now no longer on there, but now is on there. So, okay. Oh, I think what I have to do is line this up here. Oh, silly. Okay. So, line these things up. Just so, with it all nicely aligned. If it will go, push it in. Push it in further. Oh, what have I done? Yeah, this was not smart. I try to do things that are essentially smart, but this was not smart. So basically, what I have done, and there's another thing here. Oh, I'm going to have to dissect the whole thing. There's a little piece here, a little plastic piece that I can barely see. And then there's this little thing here. And that's what actually brings the door down. And there is that. And maybe they should have pulled off okay. And something else fell too. Oh, dear. Oh. Okay. So there's a little bitty round thing. And I see a little plastic thing that's out of position. I do. Anyway. Yeah. Well, this here, the front, could use some cleaning. And thankfully, you can essentially clean it quite easily with warm soap and water. But the best thing, of course, is, see the LEDs? They too can be removed. Once again, Phillips screwdriver. So I think what I'm going to do is, with great care and reverence, let's take this out, assuming I don't break it too. Oh golly. Now there's a little plastic thing here. See in the back of this? I don't know if you can see. There's a little plastic thing. And even though it should just pop off, it's not wanting to just pop off. Have I got all the screws out? Yes, I do. Alright, I'm gonna try, there we go. Maybe, possibly. I'm gonna try a gentle rocking motion. It's really tough to get in here. Oh, come on. Why would you be so tough? Maybe you're not supposed to come off, but you're supposed to come off. Ugh. Oh dear. Okay, well, let's go. That screwdriver helped us immensely before. Oh dear. Why is this giving me grief? It should just come off, and it shouldn't break, and it should be fine. Because all the screws are, mind you, it's been in there for, decades. Oh, the LEDs seem to be stuck. Oh, golly. Oh, my God. Maybe this is not my day for fixing. Maybe it just is not my day to be messing with things. Okay. Do we have it? Are we out? There we have it. We're out. Now, let's plug it back in. Oh dear. Let's see if it works. See, anyway, so somebody, as I say, parts are good. Somebody might have got this whole drive just to get that little plastic part. And now I may have broken it. Alright, so we put that back on. And we grab the power cable. The drive is off. Turn it on. And the LEDs do their thing. Power, drive activity. They do. Okay. Well, it does seem that it's quite likely that indeed the power supply is good. Alright. Anyway, I didn't mean to get all, doing this. I didn't. In fact, I didn't want to do this at all. I have other things to do, other things to work on, other things to carry on with. So, I'm going to take a little baggie. I'm going to put this in here. This is the LEDs and their assorted wire and the plug and the 2 screws. And there. I can just tuck those carefully in there, and then I can probably grab another bag. Oh, there's stuff in that bag. I know there's other baggies in here. I know it. They're empty bags. At least they're supposed to be. Oh, look, another phone charger. Always good to have another phone charger. I thought they were empty. There's an empty bag. Okay. So, into this baggie, I'll put the door handle and all the parts that have come off that maybe I broke, or maybe I didn't. I just don't know. And of course I should have done this before. It's always better to mark the bag before you put things in, because then you can write on it easier. So, you can. So I'm writing on here 1571 World of Commodore. You know what, maybe I will toss that in there too. Maybe I will. And maybe, in an effort not to lose things, I will search for another plastic bag, and this time I will write 1571 Walk, World of Commodore, case, screws. Oh, the joy, the joy, the joy, the joy, the joy. Anyway, I do have to get this part. Now, what I have to do to try and get these other drives working is do an assessment on this drive. This will be much harder now that I've essentially made it much more difficult to test now that I've got it where it won't close. Of course, I could always hold it down, I suppose. But that's... Oh, you know what I'm seeing here already? It really looks... Oh, maybe that's okay. I'm not sure if the upper head is actually going down enough. Or maybe it's... I don't know. I don't know. To me, it just doesn't look right. It just doesn't. Anyway, here's another example of something that if left in the sun will probably come out quite nice. So we'll see about that, but not in the winter. No, not in the winter. So, I always say, I think I've done enough damage for now. Maybe I have. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. As I say, some days you're just not meant to fix things. And I think this is one of those days. Bye for now.